I haven't opened a video editor in months. No Premiere, no CapCut, no timeline, no razor tool, no dragging clips around at 2 in the morning. I edit my videos by typing. In fact, this entire video, the captions, the sound effects, every animation, even this voice, was built by an AI agent living inside my terminal. And by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to do it too. Because the way we edit video is quietly about to change completely. And almost nobody is talking about this method yet. Okay, this is Claude Code. It is not a video editor. It's an AI that writes and runs code on your computer. Here's the mental shift that unlocks everything. Video is just data. Audio is data. Captions are data. So editing? Editing is just a programming problem. And Claude happens to be very, very good at programming problems. You give it a folder, your raw clips, your audio, a rough script. Then you talk to it like it's your editor. Cut the dead air, caption every word, add a whoosh on every scene change, render it vertical for shorts, and it just does it. Here's a real example. I open the terminal. I type, take this recording, cut the silences, caption it, add my intro, and render it. I hit enter. It transcribes, it cuts, it captions, it renders, and a finished clip drops into the folder. I never touched a timeline once. Let me show you the actual magic under the hood. Step 1. Claude runs a model called Whisper on your audio. Whisper listens and hands back the exact timestamp of every single word you said. Step 2. It scans for the gaps, the ums, the silence, the dead air, and cuts them out automatically. That awkward 2-second pause you'd normally spend 20 minutes hunting for? Gone in 1 second. Step 3. Those word timings become captions that pop on screen exactly on beat, word by word, perfectly synced. Zero manual keyframing. If you have ever hand-timed subtitles, you know that alone just saved me 3 hours of my life. And it doesn't stop at captions. I can say, every time I mention money, throw a money graphic on screen, and it matches the B-roll to my words automatically, because it already knows the exact millisecond I said the word money. The thing that makes editing feel like editing, reacting to what you're saying, it does that straight from the transcript. Now the fun part, the graphics. These animations are not a template I bought off some website. Claude writes them as code, literally HTML and a little animation library called GSAP, then renders the whole thing frame by frame into a video file. Every stat card, every zoom, every one of these little red numbers stabs you're staring at right now, generated from a sentence I typed. Want it blue instead of red? I don't go hunting for a color picker. I just say, make it blue, done. Then Claude wires up the sound. The voiceover can come straight from a text-to-speech model. That's how I write a script and get narration in seconds. It drops sound effects on every cut using a tool called FFmpeg. It normalizes the loudness to the exact broadcast standard, so the video is never too quiet and never blows out your headphones. And the thumbnail, also generated. 3 versions so I can A/B test which one gets more clicks. And because the entire edit is code, it all lives in version control. Every change is tracked. Cut too aggressive, 1 command and it's back. I have never lost a project file in my life. Because there is no project file to lose, it's just text. The best part of all of this, it runs with 1 command. So think about how you edit right now. You import footage, you scrub the timeline, you cut, you nudge, you render, you spot a typo, you go back, you re-render. Hours for a 4-minute video. I described this entire video in a paragraph. So why actually edit like this? 3 reasons. Number 1, it's basically free. No $90 a month subscription. Number 2, it's reproducible. The whole edit is a script, so I change 1 line, rerun it, and re-render the entire video in minutes. Try that in a normal timeline. And number 3, on the unfair one, it scales. I can hand it 10 raw clips, tell it to make 10 different videos, close my laptop, and go to sleep. It keeps working without me. That's the part that should make every editor sit up. Now, is it perfect? Absolutely not. It's picky. It breaks. Sometimes it drops a caption in the wrong spot, and you have to tell it to fix it. You are basically directing a lightning-fast, painfully literal robot intern that has never once felt a vibe. You still have to be the director. You still need taste. But here's the thing. Every single month, this gets dramatically better. And the people who learn to direct an AI, instead of dragging clips around by hand, are about to move 10 times faster than everyone else in the room. I'll give you my exact setup, the tools, the folder structure, the starter prompts, completely free. Just comment the word edit down below, and I'll send the whole thing straight to you. This has been The Drop. Now go make something. See you in the next one.